PS4 to PS5. Trade-in guide. Yes, you can trade in your PS4 for a PS5. Trading in your PS4 is a smart way to reduce the cost of upgrading to a PS5. This process involves checking your console's condition, researching trade-in options, and preparing your device for the trade. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Check your PS4's condition. Ensure your PS4 is in good working order. Check for any hardware issues, make sure all cables are intact, and the controllers are functional. A well-maintained console will fetch a higher trade-in value. Research trade-in programs. Various platforms such as game stores, electronics retailers, and online marketplaces offer trade-in services. Each platform may provide different trade-in values, so comparing them is essential. Estimate trade-in value. The trade-in value of a PS4 depends on its model, standard, slim, or pro, condition, and included accessories. Typically, values range from $100 to $250, which can significantly reduce the cost of a PS5. Backup your data. Before trading in, back up your game saves, profiles, and settings to an external storage device or cloud service to avoid losing your data. Factory reset your PS4. Perform a factory reset to erase all personal data and restore the console to its original settings. This step ensures your data remains private and the console is ready for resale. Include all accessories. Most trade-in programs require the console, power cables, HDMI cable, and at least one controller. Including all necessary accessories can increase your trade-in value. Complete the trade-in process. After choosing a trade-in program, either take your PS4 to a store or ship it if using an online service. Upon inspection, you'll receive credit or a discount towards purchasing a PS5. Trading in your PS4 for a PS5 is a cost-effective way to upgrade your gaming experience while ensuring your old console is put to good use.